In-flight crew member, please prepare doors for departure, cross-track and alcohol.
You got enough room? Yeah. You take the armrest if you want. I usually put my arms to the side.
Oh, no, it's okay. I'm trying to get comfortable with my back hurting.
And it's like
Leaning out of the handle seems to be helping. And my aunt was a flight attendant.
Yeah, they were. Right.
This close to getting
they're more susceptible to chicken.
and
It wasn't nearly as
more susceptible because I don't like this when I fish.
Oh, I'm with you. I was looking at these things are falling out of my head.
Yes, once we get in the air, actually, essentially, I gotta go back to work.
It's okay.
Yeah, you can put it here. Like, oh, this isn't sorry.
Saves me moving.
She was doing elementary special ed. Elementary special ed. She moved to middle school.
We're gonna have to let them know that.
She likes middle school. But it's so funny.
Oh, she didn't make that. No, I told you the bus now.
That's why we don't have teachers.
I heard that. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe. I just need to arm it.
They get their attitude.
Yeah, I don't know.
Special ed.
Good afternoon, myself and 4 other New York City and 1 Fort Lauderdale-based flight attendant are excited to take care of you this afternoon. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the video screens for a brief safety presentation of this Boeing 757-300 aircraft. Thank you.
Sometimes inspiration is hard to find, and we can feel a little bit stuck.
Yeah. Oh, you felt that? Yeah.
It's time to explore new cultures and rediscover the power of our planet. Because our world is better.
That's the boarding going on.
Our world is our senses. Our curiosity.
No, at least the doors are on.
Because of Delta, we believe expanding your horizon will expand your world.
I wonder if that meal will put me to sleep. I usually get drowsy after I lunch. Yeah, I'll probably listen to a Tim Dillon one since it's like an hour long.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority, and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So before we depart, please pay attention to this important message. Stow all carry-on items securely in an overhead bin, and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you. Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear.
If you lose an electronic device in your seat, do not adjust your seat and ask the crew member for help.
As we leave the gate, fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap so it's fully tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and keep it fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air. In the event of rough air, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with all crew members' instructions, along with the posted placards and lighted information signs throughout the cabin. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 12 exits on this plane, 8 doors, 4 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. 6 doors have detachable slides that can be used as rafts. The 2 smaller doors behind the wings have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. 2 additional rafts are located in ceiling compartments behind the wings. The rear 2 window exits have an escape strap attached inside the window frame, which can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing.
In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind.
All exits are clear department and exit signs. Locate the nearest exit, and remember, they might be behind you.
If you lose power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatory. Reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
Water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Flip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest.
For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lab children are in marked compartments at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Now, before we take off, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Make sure you fasten your seatbelt roller tight across your lap, secure your carry-on items, and put your armrest at resting position. Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. While we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, thank you for flying with Delta.
So, I mean, I always expect the worst. So, I mean, if they get there and it may be like gorgeous, and then like when we get on the ship and then the thunderstorms start. Or it might be we're tired and we're ready to get back on the ship and then the thunderstorms. Because I don't think we're going to be there all day. A couple hours, yeah. And that's what they do. That's all they go on.
That's good.
Cruise over in Alabama, but here we're gonna just check it out and see what people talk about. We're gonna
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the cockpit, we are number 1 for departure. Flight attendants, please clear the cabin. Never happened.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
Yeah, I get in at 12:20. After midnight.
There's no.
Yeah, I pick up a lot of music. My base work Really? Yeah, New Zealand's you wonder. You're not going to see one though.